Repairing audio. However hard you try to capture clean audio on location, it is likely some of your footage will have unwanted background noise. Let's try cleaning up some power hum. Open the sequence 03 Noise Reduction. Play the sequence to listen to the voiceover. This is a simple sequence with voiceover accompanying some visuals. There is a loud electrical interference power hum in the audio. If you cannot hear the hum, your speakers may not be able to reproduce audio at sufficiently low frequencies. Try listening with headphones. Select the voiceover clip in the sequence. The clip has already been designated as dialogue in the Essential Sound panel, so the dialogue audio options are displayed. If it is not already open, click the Repair heading in the Essential Sound panel to display the options. Select Dehum to turn it on. Play the sequence to hear the difference. The electrical interference hum was loud, but at a specific frequency, which makes removing it relatively straightforward. If the amount of dehum impacts the speech in the VO, try dragging the slider to adjust the amount. This example clip has 60 Hz hum, so the default option of 60 Hz is suitable. If the default option doesn't work, try switching to 50 Hz. After adjusting the dehum control, check the start of the clip. You may discover a tiny amount of hum remains before the repair is applied. To remove this, add a short crossfade at the beginning of the clip.